Welcome back for another video. Here we're going to have a little twist, and what I'm showing you is the Pilot Flying J truck stop here in West Virginia, right off of I-79. This is pretty good parking last night, actually. A lot of detours. They're always fixing the roads. There's a Pilot guy taking out the trash. Cleaning up the trash, sorry. Good for him. Good for us. Yep. It's currently 12:45 p.m. There's my trailer. People washing their windows at the fuel pumps. It's Saturday. Is it? Yeah, it's Saturday. There's the scales, in case you didn't notice. You pull up right there. Try to stay on the scale, flush. You click the button. You can roll down your window. You tap the button, let the lady know, or the gentleman know you're trying your first way or second way, and then roll out. Come back later and then scale again. Very simple. There's gasoline. These are the diesel pumps. There's some nice valley there. Wonder what kind of stone that is. I know bluestone's in Pennsylvania, so it might be. See the top layer? I don't know. Pretty cool for geological purposes. But anyway, nice and clean. Catch up with you in a bit. Peace.